Last episode, we capped the extreme numbers using trains fences. Now we decide which columns don't deserve to stay at all, starting with the one that's pure noise and pure risk. First, customer ID. It's unique to every row, 7,000 different values, one per customer. It predicts nothing, and a model could memorize it as a private cheat sheet. Drop it. That's the irrelevant case. The scarier case is a leaky feature, a column that secretly contains the answer, or that only exists after the customer churned. Telco doesn't ship one, but in real data, it's the silent killer. A rule of thumb for leakage: would you actually have this value at prediction time before the outcome? If no, drop it. If a column is just a relabeled target, drop it. Everything else stays: demographics, account, services, billing. They describe the customer before churn, so they're fair game. We write it all in a keep drop ledger. Let's drop the deadweight and prove the shapes still line up. After the split, we list the columns and flag customer ID as the drop. We drop customer ID from train. We drop the exact same column from test, so both matrices have identical columns. We print the before and after column counts, 20 down to 19 features, same on both sides. The figure is the ledger itself, every column tagged keep or drop with the reason. That closes the clean stage: split, filled, standardized, capped, curated. Next stage, we stop subtracting and start building, engineering brand new features from the columns we kept. If this helped, like and subscribe for more.